Welcome to Latest Cars 2025, the channel where we explore the most exciting and innovative vehicles shaping the future of transportation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome, a marvel of engineering and luxury that redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. Whether you're an avid traveler, a family looking for an adventurous getaway, or someone who enjoys the idea of a home on wheels, this motorhome promises to exceed expectations in every way. Let's begin with the exterior. The sleek, aerodynamic design of the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is a testament to the brand's commitment to blending form and function. Mercedes has opted for a modern yet understated look, with clean lines and a streamlined profile that minimizes drag and enhances fuel efficiency. The LED lighting system not only provides excellent visibility but also adds a touch of sophistication to the vehicle's appearance. With a high-gloss finish and subtle chrome accents, this motorhome looks as luxurious as it feels. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by a sense of space and refinement. The interior is designed to be both practical and indulgent, offering high-quality materials and impeccable craftsmanship throughout. The living area is outfitted with plush seating, which doubles as a sleeping space, and features adjustable configurations to suit your needs. The color palette is a mix of neutral tones with warm accents, creating a cozy yet modern atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while advanced insulation ensures a comfortable temperature in any season. The kitchen is nothing short of impressive. It's equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a convection oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-sized refrigerator. The countertops are made from durable, high-end materials, and there's ample storage for all your cooking essentials. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the kitchen is designed to make the process effortless. There's even a built-in coffee machine, so you can enjoy your morning brew while taking in the view from wherever you've parked. Moving to the sleeping quarters, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome offers unparalleled comfort. The master bed features a premium mattress designed for optimal support and relaxation. Overhead storage compartments and bedside charging ports add convenience, while smart lighting options allow you to set the perfect ambience. There's also a secondary sleeping area that can accommodate additional passengers, ensuring everyone has a comfortable place to rest. The bathroom is another highlight of this motorhome. It includes a spacious shower with a rainfall shower head, a modern vanity with plenty of counter space, and a smart toilet with advanced features. The use of high-quality materials like ceramic and brushed steel elevates the bathroom to a spa-like level, making it a true retreat during your travels. Plus, the water filtration and heating systems are state-of-the-art, ensuring a consistent and eco-friendly experience. In terms of technology, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is a masterpiece. The central control system allows you to manage everything from lighting and climate control to security and entertainment, all from a single touchscreen interface or your smartphone. The onboard Wi-Fi ensures you're always connected, whether you're streaming movies, working remotely, or navigating your route. The sound system is another standout feature, delivering immersive, high-quality audio throughout the vehicle. Safety is, of course, a top priority, and Mercedes has equipped this motorhome with an array of advanced features to ensure peace of mind on the road. The driver assistance package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. The robust construction and reinforced chassis provide excellent stability, while the advanced braking system ensures reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. Performance-wise, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is powered by a hybrid engine that combines a fuel-efficient diesel engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers a smooth, powerful driving experience with reduced emissions and improved fuel economy. The motorhome handles exceptionally well for its size, thanks to Mercedes' engineering expertise. Whether you're navigating mountain roads or cruising on the highway, you'll find the driving experience to be both responsive and enjoyable. Storage is another area where this motorhome shines. The underfloor compartments are spacious enough to accommodate everything from luggage to outdoor gear, and the interior storage solutions are thoughtfully designed to maximize usability. There's a place for everything, so you can stay organized no matter how long your journey. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is its customization options. Mercedes offers a range of packages and add-ons, allowing you to tailor the vehicle to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize additional sleeping space, upgraded tech features, or enhanced off-road capabilities, there's a configuration to suit your lifestyle. As you can see, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It combines the best of luxury, technology, and practicality to create a travel experience like no other. Every detail has been carefully considered to ensure that your time on the road is as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. From the innovative design to the cutting-edge features, this motorhome sets a new standard in the world of recreational vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this detailed look at the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest innovations in the automotive world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is Latest Cars 2025, bringing you closer to the vehicles of tomorrow. See you in the next video.